Next up on our Diamond Art Club paintings is the Princess and the Frog. Now you guys, I have waited to get this one for quite a while because I feel like I married a prince instead of a frog this time. Now he can be a pain in my butt, I ain't gonna lie, but I do feel like I can relate to this painting on multiple levels. So, having said that, let's discuss The Princess and the Frog. This is another painting by Mandie Manzano, and it is a round drill. It is 42 by 59 centimeters, and I will open this up and we will take a look at this beautiful canvas. Okay, then I have a skylight that is coming down pretty bright right now over this piece, but I do want you to look at these delicious colors. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. I am not even a huge fan of green per se, but I love lime and I love aqua blues, and I want you guys to look. Sorry, my phone's gonna shadow a little bit here. I'm gonna try to go slow. Our schematic only has 30 colors this time, which is very manageable. This is not a huge piece, as I said, and I will convert the centimeters to inches here in the description. I'm going to get a little closer so the shadow is not quite so bad. But I want you to see all of these colors. It is fabulous. Oh my word. Okay, as always, we've got our schematic on the left, our schematic on the right, and this one did come with our paper schematic. So again, I don't know why some of them are coming with it and some of them are coming without it, but do love it, so I hope they continue it. Of course, we've got our toolkit. You guys know how many of these I have so far. If only my husband knew. He may not be my prince anymore. All right, so I just want you to look at these vibrant colors in these drills. I am not going to take them out, but I mean, can you say yummy, yummy, yummy? Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. All right, one thing I did want to mention that I've never mentioned in my Diamond Art Club painting videos before is that we've talked about quality on a number of occasions, but there's one thing that is some little tiny thing that really, really I love, and it is the fact that the adhesive comes to here, right where the drills come. There is no adhesive. I'm going to get really close here, past this point of the drills. So what that means is, if you're a new person, you don't get sticky dust, grime, grit, dirt, junk. You don't have to use washi tape to protect your edges. That is something that is huge to me. I don't want to have to spend extra time to prep a canvas before I start. Now you can use washi tape to do that. You can just, all it does is just kind of protect it, but it stays forever. So if you're ever going to frame it, you would have to, put a mat on it if you had that problem and you had to use washi tape to protect that. But with this one, you do not have to worry about that. None of the Diamond Art Club canvases come past right at the drill point. So nice little feature. Okay, and I don't know if you noticed too, with all this bright light going on here, see the sparkle in the canvas? So the reason for that is that it shines through. When you get a round drill on here, you can see the surrounding color, but you also get that little hint of sparkle underneath, which just emphasizes the facets and the sparkle in the drill. I believe Diamond Art Club facets, there are 25 instead of the normal amount, which are nowhere near that many, and I'd have to look it up. I might have to put that in the description as well. But anyway, I hope you love her. Again, I'm going to try to get kind of close because I've got this crazy shadow going on right here because of my skylight. But isn't she fabulous? All right, I will come back another day, probably in a couple of months when I have completed her. In fact, she might be my next project after I finish The Little Mermaid and I Miss You. I don't know. I'm feeling it, right? She is just fabulous. I should have moved that. All right. You guys have a wonderful day. I hope you subscribe and like and share and comment and all that wonderful stuff so that you can come back and see more. Have a great one. Thank you as always for watching.